Hi students, good morning everyone. Hope that all of you are keeping well. Fifth class, take your English textbook. We are going to learn a new lesson of second unit, Flying Together. The previous class, I already take the second unit, Teamwork. Hope that all of you are read already the chapter and complete your fair copy work. Then please study also. Today we are going to learn Flying Together, the second chapter, second unit. Okay. Here, saying about the story of a geese. Story of a geese. You see the picture? This is called, this birds we can call, this actually one bird we can call goose. One bird we can call goose. This white one, water, this is a watery bird, white color. Then this neck is a very long neck. Okay, this is the speciality of this bird. Then when there is many or one we can call goose. Then there are many group plural. Then we have to call them geese. What we have to call them? Geese. Singular is goose. Then plural is geese. Okay, this is a story of these birds. This story of these birds. Then there are small younger geese and old one means elder one and younger one, smaller one and like father, mother, then children, no, together. They are living in together in a tree. You see the picture, there is a big tree. You see, big tree, then all these geese are, they are living here. Okay, these birds are living here. Now we are going to see what happened to these geese. Okay, flying together. What are some of the things your parents and teachers tell you to do on time? Okay. What are the some of the things? There are many things or some things when your parents and teachers tell you to do on time. For example, the teacher will say, if I taught you this chapter and after I will say, please everyone read this chapter. Means that I gave you one duty to read this chapter. Then if you will do today means that you are doing, you are completing your duty. Means you do on time. You did that work on time. Same, some of you then your parents will say also something to do on time. At least sometimes your parents will, you have to wake up at 6 o'clock. Then when they will call you, you will not wake up. You will not get up. Okay, these are the some things when your parents or teachers tell you to do on time, you should do on time. For example, here is saying, get up in the morning or do the homework, pack your school bag. These are the things that parents will say, get up in the morning or pack your school bag, all these things. Then the teacher will say, do the homework in time. Every day we have the homework. Then teachers will say, every day you should do the homework. These are the things the parents and teachers will say to you, but you should do on time. You should do on time. Then we are going to see what happened. This geese. Geese, I said already the plural of goose. Goose is one bird, geese is a plural. So many birds. Now we are going to see the chapter. Deep in a forest stood a very tall tree. Okay, deep in the forest means inside of the forest there are so many trees. Then this very tall tree was inside, means deep in the forest means inside of the forest there was stood is a past of stand, stood. Okay, there was a very tall tree, means it was a very big tree. Its leafy branches spread out like a strong arms, means this very big tree has long branches. Means you see the picture, branches, one branch here, one branch here, here, so many branches, and these branches are very thick. You see the branches, it is very thick one, like a hand, strong arms. Okay, then this tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. Okay, then this tree was the home of a flock. Flock means there are so many birds. Flock means collection of birds. Flock of wild geese. Then these are the house of the geese. I said geese means plural one. Okay, there are so many geese are using this tree. They felt safe there. Then they are very safe. One of the geese was a wise old bird. Then among this there was a one old bird, means it was this bird is not a younger one, old one. Then it was this bird is very wise. Very means this geese, this goose, this old goose, he is very wise, means very intelligent. She know how the things. She know how to do the things. She is very intelligent. Okay, next line. He noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. He spoke to the other birds about it. Okay, what happened? You see this one. This is one we can call creeper. That creeper means the plant that grows around another plant. Okay, this is a big tree. Then this is a small one is coming up here, growing up here. This big tree around this small creeper coming up. Okay, then this old wise goose saw that this creeper is coming up, going up. Climbing up means go up. Then the old goose was saying that, do you see that creeper? Do you see that small plant? He said to them, let us destroy it. Means we should destroy it. Why must we destroy it? Why we should destroy it? Asked the geese in surprise. The other geese, they asked why we must destroy it. Asked the geese in surprise. They are very surprised. Why we are living in this tree? Then why we have to destroy this small creeper? It is so small. What harm can it do? Then this small one, what this small plant will do? My friends, then the old goose is saying, my friends, replied the wise old bird, that little creeper will soon grow. What will happen? This small one, this is a small one, but it will soon grow. It will become grow. Then as it creeps up this tree, then where it will arrive? Up of the upper side of the tree, it will become the thick and strong. Then here in the picture we can see that this is very small one, but after this it become very thick and very strong. What of that? Asked the geese. Then they are saying, oh, what will be the problem? What harm can a creeper do us? Then what harm means what other thing, what will happen? Nothing will happen. Don't you see? Replied the wise bird. Then the wise bird is saying, don't you see? With the help of that creeper, means this small creeper, help of this creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree. Okay, then what will happen there? This small creeper can grow upper side and someone can will climb this tree through this creeper. They can climb this tree through using of this creeper. The old goose is saying that, okay, a hunter can come up and kill us. Then what will happen? A hunter can climb this through this creeper and he can kill us all. He can kill us all means he can kill every one of you. Okay, next page. Well, there is no hurry. There's no hurry. They replied. The creeper is very small. Then they are not thinking about that. They are not nothing there. They are not worrying about. They are saying, oh, it is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now. It is so sad to destroy now. Destroy the creeper while it is still young. Then again the old, this wise uh, goose is saying, let us destroy this one. The old bird advised. Again she was saying the same thing. Now it is tender and you can cut it easily. Means this is more, this is very small and very tender, means very thinner one. No need. It is no, there is no difficulty to cut this one. Okay, later it will become hard and you will not be able to cut it. Then later, day by day, when it will grow, it will be very difficult to cut it, but no one will see. No one is hearing the words of this wise goose. We'll see, they are saying, we'll see, answered the birds. But they did not destroy the creeper. Okay, they did not destroy the creeper. They forgot the wise old bird's advice. They forgot the wise old bird's advice. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. Okay, what happened? They forgot to cut the creeper and it began to grew means past of grow, started to grow. It began winding its way up the tree. You see the picture? The creeper is going around the tree. Look around, till upside it arrived. Okay, till the branches. Okay, this is a very big creeper. It was very small before, when the wise goose was saying it was very small. Now it become very big. Then stronger and stronger it became, until it was as strong as a thick rope. It became like a rope, a thick rope. One morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, okay, the morning they will go for the searching out of the food. A hunter came to the forest. What happened? A hunter came in that forest. So this is where the wild geese live. Then this hunter understood that in this tree there is a wild geese. He said to himself, when they come back in the evening, I shall catch them. Okay, the evening they will come back, then I will catch. The hunter climbed. How he climbed? Through the creeper. The creeper is now very big one. Look, this one very thick one. Then he climbed. He go up through the creeper. He got to the top. Where he arrived? Top side. And spread his net there. Then what he has? He has net. Okay, he spread his net in the tree, upper side of the tree. Then he climbed down and went away. What he did? He put his net there on the tree, upper side of the tree, and he went away. In the evening, the geese returned home. Okay, night time they returned home. They did not notice the net. Then they did not saw the net. As they flew into the tree, flew past as they fly into the tree, they were trapped. What is there? There is a net. Then all are inside of the net. They struggled hard to get out, but could not, because their head or their leg are inside of the inside. There is you see the net. Look, their leg is inside of the net. They cannot take out their hand or leg or face, head, all are inside, but could not. Help, cried the geese. They were crying. We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do? Okay, they are crying. What we will do? We are inside of the net. Okay, now the last paragraph here downside. Don't make a fuss now. Okay, don't make a fuss now. Then First means now why they are all are worry what they have to do. They are over worry about this. Then they are someone is saying, don't worry, don't make too much noise, or don't worry about this one. Said the wise old bird. Always this old bird goes is very wise now. Then this wise old bird is saying that don't make panic or don't do so many actions. Long ago, I told you to destroy the creeper. You remember before when it was very small, I told you to cut it, but nobody listened. But you did not. Now see what has happened. Now see what happened. Tomorrow morning, the hunter will come back and kill us all. Okay, then the bird is saying, I told you to cut it, but you are not listen to me now. Tomorrow the hunter will come and he will kill all of us. We were foolish. We were foolish. Wept the words. Then all are crying. Wept means all are crying. We are very sorry. We did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do. Now they are saying that time we are not ready to listen to you. Now what we will do? Please tell us now what we have to do. Then listen carefully. Then the wise bird is saying, listen carefully. Replied the wise bird, when the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. Pretend to be dead. Then this old bird is saying, when the this hunter will come, you all should act. Pretend means should act like a dead bird. You should act when he will take the net. We should all act as a dead. Just lie still. All of you should act as a dead. The hunter will not want dead birds. Then this hunter, he doesn't want dead birds. He want live birds. He will throw us to the ground. Then what he will do? He take out one by one and he will throw us to the ground. It will then be easy for him to climb down, collect the dead birds. Okay, means when we are live, he saw that we are alive. He will take carefully. He will take and he put into the basket or somewhere. But when we act like dead, he will throw into ground. After only he will collect it. Means everyone he collect mass. He throw away one by one. Then together he collect. Okay, then this bird is saying it will then easy for him to climb down, collect the dead birds. Means he think that it is dead bird, then no problem. He will collect slowly and take then home. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. Then this old bird is saying that one by one he will throw away ground. Then we should wait the last one till the last one come. You should be very like a dead. You should act. Then last one also will come. Then we should get up and fly away together. In the morning, the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. Okay, the hunter came morning. Then he go up to the upper side of the tree. He looked at the geese in the net. Then he checked the geese. Then the net. Then they are all dead. Then he saw that they all dead. He muttered himself. Muttered means speaking slowly. Means he is speaking. He threw them out of the net one by one. Same that bird said he, because the bird already dead, no, he one by one he threw. Throw is present. Threw means past. He threw them out of the net one by one. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Then they all act like a dead bird. Then all at once they got up, flapped their wings and flew away. Okay, what happened? Till the last one came. They waited till the last one. After it all came down, then at once together they got up and flapped. Means they moved their wings. Then they started to fly together and they fly away. The hunter was taken by surprise. He was on the tree. He not came down. He was in the tree, but from the top of the tree, he watched all the geese fly away. Then he was watching, oh, all these geese fly away. What happened? All saved. All saved because of the through the words, through the advice. Advice in Hindi, advice is salah. Okay, through the advice of this old bird, wise bird, all served their life. Okay, from the hunter under the hunter trap. Okay, please everyone read this chapter. Then there are downside, there are words, new words. You should copy also these new words. Then some other words I will write into the board, that also you should write. Please everyone read the chapter and find out some more words you don't know. You should find out through the by using the dictionary. Now I will give some other words. Okay. Take the English fair copy and write flying together name of the chapter, and you can write those words are already in the textbook. Some words are there already in the textbook. Then here is some other words I will read. Spread, extend to a large area. Extend to a large area. Wept, W-E-P-T, wept, shed tears, means started crying. Okay. Climb, climb means come up or go. Then struggled, S-T-R-U-G-G-L-E-D, struggled means make forceful effort to get free. Make forceful effort to get free. Then the other new words from the textbook also you should copy with the same along with this one. Okay, students? Now take your textbook, page number 33. There are question answers. The first question, you should write the question from the textbook. Where did the geese live? Where the geese live? The answer, the geese were lived in a tall tree. The geese were lived in a tall tree. Okay, the second question. Why did the old bird advise the other birds to destroy the creeper? Answer. The old bird advised the other birds. The old bird advised the other birds to destroy the creeper, because it will be very possible for someone to climb the tree and destroy them. Okay, once more I will read the second answer. The old bird advised the other birds to destroy the creeper, because that one is another line, no? Because I wrote in another line, but you can write in continue, okay? Creeper, because it will be very possible for someone to climb the tree and destroy them. Okay, third question. Why did the geese cry, help, help? Answer, because the geese were trapped into the net of hunter. Because the geese were trapped into the net of hunter. That's why they cry. Okay, fourth one. What did the hunter do when he thought that the geese were dead? Then what the hunter did? The hunter threw, T-H-R-E-W, throw, the past of throw, the geese out of the net one by one. The hunter threw the geese out of the net one by one. Okay, fifth question. Why did the geese pretend to be dead? Why they act as a dead? Answer, to save themselves from the hunter. To save themselves from the hunter. Please everyone copy the 5 question answers. Sixth one, no problem. You can leave it. Then downside, page number 33, state whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, we should find out these statements are true or false. The tree was the house of flock of parrots. It was a flock of parrots. No, then it is false. Second one, the wise old bird wanted the creeper to be destroyed. Okay, the wise old bird, he likes to destroy, no? Yes, then answer is true. Third one, the hunter climbed the tree with the help of a ladder. He used ladder. No, he climbed the tree through the creeper. You remember? Creeper. Then it is a false. Fourth one, when caught in the net, the foolish birds began to weep. They have started to cry. Weep means cry. Yes, true. The wise old bird helped to escape. This old bird, wise, he helped to escape. Yes, then answer is true. In answer and true or false also you should write in your fair copy. Please next page, see this page 34. Let's listen. This is your homework. Please everyone read this paragraph at least 5 times. Then only you will understand. Okay, 5 times you read it this one. Then you find out there are 3 questions out downside. You should find also the answer because there is answer of this in this paragraph. Find out also. Then read the chapter. Please flying together. Then question answer, word meaning, everything you should study. Then do this homework also. Okay, students? Okay, thank you so much.